Okay. Say 6/24, 2024. Today's bias was bullish at the beginning of the day, but if you did see at least these equal highs right here, I already have them marked out. You could have gotten a nice little entry, but I took a few scalps and a couple of longs. The reason behind it was you have London lows right here on QQQ, and then you have market open right here. I did take a loss on this trade from an $82 loss, but I still had extreme like bullish confluences, especially since we're already trading down. We might as well trade back up to get like a nice little premium buy. And you see right here, this was my first trade, this market structure shift right here, spread it out, you get it, and then I get stopped out. And then right here is when I re-enter because they took out stop losses. So I was like, oh, okay. Let's see what they do. Right here, they disrespect this fair value gap to the downside, and I enter again to the longs. Right here, stops below here, and then my target was these equal highs right there. And you can see my entry was right here. Sorry, yeah. I took the first loss, and then I went short for a little scalp because it does like to continue when it sweeps liquidity sometimes. So I was like, let's take a small scalp. Took a small scalp, and then once I started seeing this fair value gap on the 1 minute, I entered. I lost $1. I think I felt unconfident, but as I kept pushing up a little bit, like around here, I entered again. I bought two. I scaled in again, and then I trimmed. So I trimmed one right here, and then I trimmed another one up there. And then I try to go for a little sell, and somewhere around here, I got like a $12, but that's what happened. And then you could see when it swept out those equal highs, it created a market structure shift right here, stops above here, and then you could target the low of day. I have previously had this marked out, and I'll show you what this line is. This line right here is 1 hour liquidity. It's just resting. It was like a perfect opportunity just to sweep it out. What does it do? It sweeps it out right there. And then if we go back to the 1 minute, there's potential to go to the upside, but it's looking a little bit weak. I might take one contract just for fun on MNQ though, but if it were to go up, I think it'd reach London highs, but it definitely could reach the opening high of day. Other than that, that's the trade today. We did make 539 on the PA. Yeah, nothing much to say.